In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can turn off reachability on iPhone. When you use iPhone with one hand in portrait orientation, you can use reachability to lower the top half of the screen so it's within easy reach of your thumb. When enabled, to turn reachability off, just head into your phone settings. Then scroll down onto the option of accessibility. Select touch right here. Then disable the reachability option off. You won't be about to access the upper screen with ease while using one hand. You can enable the reachability option again at any given time. That's how easy it is to disable reachability on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.